Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my first video. I've always thought that okay fine, I'll start a YouTube channel, but it was never successful. So this is my first video, and today I'm gonna show you a day in my life as a normal in college. So currently it's break going on for us. So it's currently break going on for us. Today we have physics lab exam. Yeah. And I don't know shit in it. This is a place to sit, I guess. I'll show. Wait now. Yeah, I'm sitting in the middle of the whole thingy. See? Yeah. So now break. As I told you 100 times, I'm gonna study for lab because I don't know shit in it. So yeah, that's what's going on. I'll show you my outfit. Wait. I wore these pants today. These formal pants and some top. Basic ass. Okay, guys. Because of physical and also always shy. Let's go. I changed so much. Bro, the whole 7 floors are watching us from the top. Yeah, bro, the whole 7 floors. Look, the whole 7 floors can be. These are all corridors, by the way. They can watch us. And there's water. Say hi. Shona, say hi. It's
We have an exam, she won't let us study because she's already studied.
No, I'm having. I should probably start studying because I haven't studied. So let's go. We kind of studied something, but
very well we studied.
But we don't know anything still. And this is like the break was for our lunch period, okay? And we did not eat lunch. Plus, did you eat breakfast?
No.
Even we didn't eat breakfast.
No breakfast, no food.
So can we eat something, bro? There's one this CCD, okay, in our campus near the BTech block. In the BTech block, the CCD. So expensive, bro. Like, so yeah, I'm gonna eat now. Let's go. Guys, I forgot to record, but we ate some paneer kebab roll. We shared the money, by the way. Say hi. So yeah. Let's go to lab because we have exam now. Okay, hi guys. So this is after the lab exam. Bro, I didn't know anything. I didn't know shit. I copied. Now we have advising seminar going on. Yeah, so advising seminar is going on, and we had to submit some personal development plan PDP. So we did that. CR is collecting everybody's PDPs now, and then she'll ask some questions apparently. But anyways, guys, say hi. Nikhil, say hi, Nikhil. So nonchalant. Attitude, bro.
Let's jump in seconds.
Guys, look. See, basically, Ipshita is
Gay. No. Anyways, that's it. I'll meet you after advising seminar.
रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा पैर डाउन सीनियर से बात करो बोले वही कर लेना
Do like this. So boring. Nothing is going on. Some people are doing their own work. Some people are sleeping. Hi guys. So we finished advising seminar and now they have to submit something. What? Maths assignment. So we are going to submit that and then we don't have class now. We have online classes so we can go back to room. Let's go. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Faculty cabin. Hey, this is not the one. That side. Hi guys. So I came back to room. Down in my bed. My bed is very messy, so don't mind. But yeah. Now some online classes going on, so I have to attend that. Let's go. Let's finish it and then it'll become 4 o'clock and then done with the classes for today. Bro, I'm so tired. My bed is so messy, so please don't judge. By the way, you wanna see my house? This is my room. My roommate is sleeping. I'll show you one day अच्छे से. But yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I woke up and then I did not clean my bed. It's still messy. I will do that later. But I got freshened up and now I'm going to go meet my friends. We'll go to the mess. We'll eat snacks. By the way, it's like what? It's 5:10 or something. And then we'll go to Al Fresco and study together. That's the motto. So let's go. This is a mess, by the way. Why? Every time I see mess food, I feel like it's gonna be bad. I assume it. Today they gave pav bhaji and it's really good. It is really good. Finally something good enough for me to eat. Yay! Guys, they've been interrupting me. Please don't interrupt me. Okay. Bro! It's not bad. Hi guys, so we have finished eating. Now we are going to Al Fresco, but apparently something is going on in Al Fresco. I don't know what, but something. There's full noise and stuff. Bro! Yeah. Okay. So Al Fresco. I don't know, something. Bro, honestly, you know what? Today I saw so many people wearing traditionals. And I was so confused. Why are they all wearing traditional? Why is everybody wearing kurti and only I'm like feeling like the odd one out? And now I understand that people actually wore it because there was a male apparently to wear ethnic, which I didn't know about. So yeah. And they're dancing there. Look at the moon, da. The moon is blurred. It's so pretty. But yeah, that is called Al Fresco, by the way. Why? You know why? I'll tell you the history. There is a store named allfresh.co and that's named the whole thing Al Fresco. Huh. Nice invention, right? Hi. So
yesterday.
Basically, we went to Al Fresco, but then it was very noisy. I don't think we could have studied there. So now we are in Aromas. Aromas is like a restaurant inside the campus.
So the
This is Aromas, guys. Aromas. We order there and then we go get our foods there, come and sit here. Basic university shit. So yeah, now I'm planning to study. But I don't know if I should eat or not. I should stop spending money on food. My only expenses are food for some reason. So I'm gonna stop spending on food. Hi guys, so basically I'm not studying. She's doing her work. She's studying and both are studying. He is doom scrolling. He is also doom scrolling. I am sleeping and doom scrolling. Only she is the one doing work. So that's how college feels like. Hi guys, so we came to the mess right now. This is my food for today. I don't know what this is. Papad, dal, rice, and there's badam milk. So let's see. Okay guys, so now I bought ice cream for 70 rupees. It is so costly by the way, but then they said that they will add toppings on it. Finally my roommate, she woke up after 20 hours of sleeping. Do you remember when I showed you her when she was sleeping? Now she woke up and came to dinner.
I didn't even know when did she show me.
Yeah, because you were sleeping.
See my face, guys. I'm not even well.
Yeah, you know she got fever last 2 days and then yesterday she got her today she got her period. So very bad week for her. But yeah, now we are going to the printer shop because she needs A4 size sheets.
Not printer shop.
Printer shop, that's okay. Yeah, stationery shop. So yeah, I have bought. By the way, she hated it when she ate it, but I love it because it tastes like coffee. So I like it. So yes, let's go.
Hi guys. So this is my German poster.
That is her German poster, guys. The light got brighter somehow.
For you only.
For you to show your German poster, guys.
Yeah.
Yes,
It's
guys.
like coffee for 2.5 euros.
So I finished
for
my
2 euros.
I finished my ice cream. Okay guys, so now we are basically taking a walk in this lush green campus like they say. So yeah, that's what we are doing and probably we'll go now. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, I am back. It's my home, which is basically my hostel. But yeah, so we are sitting down here. I don't know if we're working.
Because I was picking it.
Oh yeah, her poster. Okay, so yeah, we came back. We took a walk, and then we came back, and yeah, I should go take bath soon. I'm gonna go like at 10:30. It's currently 10 o'clock. So yeah, I'll go take bath. My roommate is again sleeping. Oh look, Nisarga. She's not sleeping. She's watching phone. Girl. So yeah, that's what is happening. Ignore my bed. It's always messy. Ignore. So yeah, that is the update. Hello, I am done bathing. Let's go, and I feel fresh now. I'm wearing the same top by the way, so don't judge. Hostel issues, guys. Hostel issues. I'm probably gonna sleep and doom scroll now, and then sleep. Do not say that. Okay, yeah. So I'm probably gonna sleep now. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Meet you tomorrow, and maybe meet you in the next vlog. Yeah. Nisarga, say bye. Bye.